Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay for the entire video. Now, I have got some explaining to do. I was gone for a really long time. I know I just had college. Anyways, I know that I promised 3 DIY scrubs in the last video, and today I'm here just to deliver that. Okay, so without any bug or bakwas, let's just get started and see what those DIYs are. Before beginning the video, I would just kindly ask you to subscribe my channel and to like this video if you found this helpful. Okay, so the first scrub is the coffee sugar body scrub. So let's talk about the coffee sugar body scrub. You can see that it's very runny in consistency. This is my most favorite, I would say, because it's got coffee, it's got sugar, which is a good exfoliant, and oil for nourishment and moisturization, also some body wash to give it the consistency that it has. So one thing that I would suggest for these particular scrubs, because these are made from natural ingredients, I would prefer कि आप small batches में बनाएं and then use it as freshly as you can instead of keeping it in the fridge for like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. मतलब these are most effective when you immediately make them and immediately use them. Anytime I use this, my skin is left feeling extremely soft, extremely glowy, and not stripped of moisture. You know what I mean? I hate those scrubs जिसको आप रगड़ने के बाद your skin is dry AF. I hate that. Okay, so let's see the second scrub. The second scrub is rice flour body scrub. One thing to know about me, I love rice flour in my scrubs. Okay, कोई भी स्क्रब चाहिए, जेंटल स्क्रब चाहिए, ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना है. The easiest thing that you can do is make a rice flour body scrub. ये वाला जो particular scrub है, it is a bit thick. So upon the first touch, you will feel that this is a cream, not a body scrub basically. But as soon as you start to blend it, you will see कि it has those exfoliating granules जो कि आपकी बॉडी को thoroughly exfoliate कर देंगे. This is my no झंझट, no परेशानी body scrub. मैंने ये सब extra ingredients डाले हैं इसमें, doesn't mean that you have to. Next up is the very famous, जिसकी रेसिपी पूरे घर में सबको पता होगी, विच इज उपटन. अब सब लोग ऐसे रहेंगे कि भाई उपटन तो फेस पैक होता है बेसिकली, एक्सफोलिएशन का काम कैसे करता है? तो एक्चुअली फॉर यूजिंग उपटन as your exfoliator, what you need to do is you just rub it all over your body, let it sit there for a minute or two, जब तक वो ड्राई नहीं हो जाता. अगर आप थोड़ा मतलब पतला सा लेयर लगाओगे तो वो जल्दी ड्राई हो जाएगा. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू इज ऑफ कोर्स जस्ट रब इट. मतलब जब वो ड्राई हो जाएगा एंड व्हेन यू रब इट, उसके ग्रैनुअल्स बनेंगे सूखे, विच विल डू एन एक्सफोलिएटिंग जॉब. तो you have your third exfoliator. वन टिप उपटन के लिए, अगर आपको टैन रिमूवल करना है तो जस्ट यूज़ आधा कटा हुआ टमाटर। अगर आपके पास सब्जी वेस्ट करने को है, टमाटर को आधा काट लो और टमाटर का जो ओपन साइड है उससे वो उपटन रिमूव करो. दैट विल गेट रिड ऑफ योर टैन. So those were my 3 DIY recipes. I hope you liked the video and consider coming back, because I will start posting videos regularly. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.